Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So, today we're going to look at how to tag someone in a post after you've posted it. So, really simple. So, navigate to your Facebook page and find the post you want to tag someone in. So, you're going to click on the three dots, scroll down to where it says edit post. So, click on that, and then this should come up and you can add different things to your post. So if you want to tag someone, click on tag people, and then these suggestions will come up. If the person you want to tag is not there, search for their name and you can tag them. Once you are done, click on done and save, and the post will be updated with the person tagged. Hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.